when I rolled was entirely up to the lock on system's mercy. Ah, he can't manipulate Artorias. Manipulate him. He has no pattern. Ah, so you can't. Pretty much what you're saying is you can't keep him locked in a certain pattern. Yeah. But can it be done? Ah, it's Mr. Grey. I like that. Mr. Grey. Kind of sounds like some kind of James Bond stuff, you know? Mr. Grey. I am Grey. Mr. Grey. Cravey. Oh dear. James Bond is great. Whole Pilot, Borderlands 2. Oh yeah. Just remember. Oh, death counter. Shit. That you have to finish Artorias with a 360 no-scope bow headshot. Oh, dude. Like, if that was the bet, like, while he's in the air. Oh, that's just crazy. That would never happen. If anyone recorded that and put it on YouTube, I would probably watch the full video that's actually been done. Are you serious? How? Oh, Dark Soul freaks. By who? Oh, just imagine that. Oh, I'm getting better at dodging him now. Except for that nasty slime. Rah! How did he hit me? I wasn't near him. I'm not going to speak too soon. Oh my god. You pretty much got me, bro. Ah. Shit. Music, guide my path. And let the boss be nice to me and let me beat him. Oh man. I don't think he's poorly designed. I think he's well designed. I'm just terrible. Like, my guy didn't even know he was dead until he was dead. Dude, Grey, buy the game. Play it, man. That's all I'm saying. It's a good game. Like, he's so hard. That's 70. Does Peeve have one on those on his YouTube video? Clean house Twitch. What is that Dan emote? Dan Bad. Three favourite streamers of mine. Dan's Gaming, Code Carnage, and Man vs Game. Three of my favourites. Two of them are veterans, and I've been watching Code Carnage for the last 2 years. I started watching Code Carnage when he had 10 people, and now he's playing Fallout New Vegas with over 6,000. So he's hit it big. He's a good guy too. So are all three of them good guys. And man, like last week, I think it was, or the week before, 38-hour stream. Ridiculous. Don't watch it till you beat him. This isn't the 361, but still the bow headshot. Crazy. Well, if I click the link, it'll drop Dark Souls. Peeve did the 360 this year, I think. Damn. You'll get big. Ah, dude, it'll happen when it happens, man. Like, I didn't even expect this tonight, and I'm so thankful for it. It's crazy. Had no idea. First I get view botted, and then I had to shut the stream down, and now now I've got a lot of good company. It's great. I could not believe it. Oh, come on, man. Yeah. Arithmetic, thank you for the follow, man. Welcome to the Pain Train, much appreciated. Thank you very much. Oh shit. He's... Oh, this pattern. I shall manipulate you. Yeah, man, Marky Mark and the Funky Bunch. How you going, Chad? How you doing, dude? Oh my god. Oh, that cheeky heel. Oh, man. Oh, as if that got me. Suspect is Les's grandson. 467. Oh my god. The pain. Meza. What's that emote? PvP love. Oh yeah. That's pretty cool. Meza. What are you doing, Chad? Don't you have work tomorrow, dude? Like today, actually? Yeah. It's like pretty good. I hear you're doing well. Yeah, man. Well, 2.5 hours I think into the stream, Andy jumped into my channel. He's like, "Holy Batman, the views!" I looked over to the other computer and seen the view count was up to 200. I'm like, I didn't get no host or nothing. What's going on? Ah, okay. Working 4 hours, me 5 hours. Oh my god. And then all of a sudden, since this one guy jumped in, there's a 2K15. I did it. I can't remember his name, but my view count went up. No one was talking. It was very suspect, so I had a bit of a little decision between me and Pimpin, and we thought we'd ban, time him out and stuff like that. And then I shut down the stream, and I can hear Mark cry when he dies every 5 seconds. And then next minute I put the stream back up after I think it was 5 minutes, and he was gone, and so all the views were reset. Woke me up too. And then I'd say probably 10 minutes after that, Kazi joined, and then a few other really nice people joined, like the Dragon, Arithmetic. Oh, I'm dying all over the place. Gibbed, Hello Cow, and yeah, a lot of other people joined. I'm dead. And Peeve. Yeah. So having a good, I don't know, pain train. Pardon? Yeah. Ryan Warlord, how's it going, man? Nah, I'm on PC, but I'm using a 360 PC controller. I'd welcome as well. I would not be able to play this on keyboard and mouse. No, no hoperino. Nah. And I only have an Xbox One and PS4. Ah, thank you for the follow, Ryan Warlord. Much appreciated. Welcome to the Pain Train. Much appreciated. Ryan, you stole my surname. Yeah. What was his name on the... Playing Dark Souls on a keyboard is like shooting yourself in the foot, then doing a one-legged race on that foot. Sam, you PvP at all yet? I haven't. I haven't. I've been PvP'd once. No, what's it? Twice. On ONS, both times. I thought I'd be cool and summon Solir before I accidentally killed him. Good night, Chad. Have a good one, man. And a dude killed Soler. 2 Warlords accounts. And then he killed... then another dude killed me. And I thought, nah, I'm not gonna waste humanities. Oh, what am I doing? I will PvP in Dark Souls 2, but probably not in this game. I'm not I'm not that big on PvP. Alright, so it's looking good. Oh, I missed him. Oh shit. Don't I? No, this was before, you remember. You love my laugh so much. Okay, thank you. Personally, I hate my voice, but I guess, I don't know, everyone does unless their ego's from here to the moon and back. But I'd PvP in DS1 over DS2, just my opinion. Ah, okay, nice, man. I'm only going to do it for the trophy, because I want to try and platinum it. And I think, I haven't read into it properly, but I think you have to PvP to get the platinum. Shit. Please be 3. Okay, now I can hit him. Ah, I hate this part. Yeah, and I've also been told that the ones that I'll come up against will be veterans, and they'll pretty much whoop my butt. Holy shit, MLG, RNGesus. Oh no. Oh my god. No! Hollow.